Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an exponential algebraic equation 9 to the power x is equal to 27, or we can write this 9 as 3 square. This is 9 and whole to the power this x is equal to this 27. We can write this as 3 to the power of 3. This is 27. Or now applying this exponential formula, a to the power b whole to the power of c is equal to a to the power this b times c. Now applying this formula, 3 to the power 2 and whole to the power of x, applying this formula we can write this 3 to the power this 2 times x. This is twice x is equal to right side. This is 3 to the power of 3. Now when a to the power of b is equal to a to the power of c, when the base of both sides is same, then this power will be equal. Then we can write b is equal to c. Now here the base of both sides, this 3 is same, so this power, this will be equal. So we can write this twice x is equal to right side this 3. Now divided both side by 2, we will get left side twice x divided by 2 is equal to right side, this will be 3 over 2. Now this 2 and this 2 will cancel out and it will remain x. So the value of x is equal to right side, this is 3 over 2. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.